Good evening guys, this is Mel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to learn how to import the 3D models directly in your DIALux Object Catalog. We can directly import the files in this Object Catalog and save it so that in our projects it's easy for us to search the 3D models. Let's see how we can do that. Let's get started. For today's tutorial I have considered this sample project. This kitchen island I have made using the cubes. I will combine everything as one object. I will select everything, go for Boolean operation, name it as kitchen island combine. Okay. Then I will download this 3D model. Select. Here is the download symbol. I will save it on desktop for now. Save. So this is my kitchen island DXOBJ file. Now I will delete this kitchen island from here. I will also clear it from this clear history. Yes. Now I don't have it here nor here. Then I'll go to select more objects and I will click on import, add files. I will select the kitchen island from my destination folder, open. Okay. Here are the categories of the DIALux Object Catalog. Okay. So you have to first click here, select it, then it's fully up to you in which folder you want to assign. This is a kitchen island. It will be in home furniture and I will keep it in functional unit. I will click assign and import. Okay. Then I will close this one. See, I have deleted from here, nor it is here. But since I have imported directly on my catalog, let us check if it is reflecting. More objects. I saved it in home furniture and I saved it in functional unit. So I'll just scroll down and check. These are arranged alphabetical order wise. So you can see after numbers, this is the alphabet we have and this is the 3D model, kitchen island. This one. Okay, if you double click on this one, here you can see the preview and you can directly place your 3D model like this. Check in 3D. See, I can rotate. Textures are also retained. That slight variation in the texture, no worries, you can pick the material, slightly change the reflection factor and replace the material. It will be proper. Okay. So this is how you can import the 3D models directly in your DIALux Object Catalog. It will not be lost from here. Okay. Let's try this with a SketchUp 3D model. This was something which I made in the DIALux. Let's check with 3ds files. So this sofa is a 3ds model which I got from the SketchUp. It is a high poly, high MB 3D model. So let's see if it is possible for me to import this one. I will select from here, download. I will keep it as L-shaped sofa. Okay, then I'll click on import, add files. This is L-shaped sofa. DXOBJ file, open, click here. For importing, you have to select this one first. I will go for, under home furniture, I will go for furniture, assign, import. Okay. Now let's check home furniture and L-shaped sofa. See, if you double click here, it will reflect here. I will delete from here. I'll also clear from here just to show you that the files is not getting lost. See, it's here. I will even close this one and open again. Select more objects. It was in home furnitures, this section and L-shaped sofa. Okay, see, I have this file. Place object. 3D geometry, textures and all are retained. The slight modifications in the textures, you can easily do it, changing reflection factors and stuff. Okay. So till now, whatever we imported here was in DXOBJ file format. Let us check if we can import here 3D models .3ds file format. For that, let me get some SketchUp file. I have this nice SketchUp model. Let me export this and I will export this in 3ds file. .3ds export. Done. File is exported. This is my exported 3D model from the SketchUp. In my current project of this one, I don't have this 3D model placed here, nor I have imported here. If I directly need to import it in an object catalog, I'll go to select, more objects, click on import, add files. This is the 3D model, .3ds file. Previously we have seen DXOBJ, this is .3ds, open, it's here, select, I will add it to persons, assign, import. Okay, let's check if it has got imported. Addition, see here, it is here, female 3D. We'll just minimize a bit, double click on this one, and you can see the thumbnail, the preview of the 3D model. And from here, you can easily place the object. Check in 3D, see? So this is going to be really helpful to import the 3D models directly in your object catalog. So with this way, you can not only import the DXOBJ files, you can import even the 3ds files and other formats which are currently supported in the DIALux and save it in your object catalog, so you don't have to keep importing the 3D models. This will help you organize your workflow and make your work easy with regard to the 3D modeling. So this is it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please do hit a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned to explore more in DIALux with me. Thank you.